Good day everyone, today we are going to make soup and you can use any kind of vegetable for this soup. Today we are going to use cabbage, potato, tomato and cauliflower, shallot, onion and lentil and any kind of vegetable if you like. So we first get some 1 liter of water, 1 to 2 liters, depends your capacity. We are going to add all the vegetables and bring it to boil. Add some salt. Yes. About 1 tablespoon of pepper would be enough. Cumin seed. Coriander seed. Coriander seed. The milk. After adding fresh milk, we just stir it up. Beat 1 egg. Pour into the soup.